autonomous cars, satellite software, mobile robotics, and unmanned aerial vehicles. The AI2 Institute's technological offering in mobility and logistics includes a wide range of cutting-edge solutions. Leading companies in the aerospace, railway, road safety, and maritime transport sectors have already benefited from the solutions developed in our laboratories at the Polytechnic City of Innovation.
In the Real-Time Systems Research Group from the AI2, we are working from more than 20 years in the area of real-time operating systems for the critical sector, such as aeronautic, avionics, or autonomous vehicles, in different international and national projects. As a result, the Stratum hypervisor is now flying on more than 1,000 satellites.
The AI2 researchers some decades of know-how in autonomous vehicle technologies, networked control for more reliable trajectories and cost savings, modules to improve land and maritime communications, and the design of control systems for electric self-guided vehicles with wireless server connectivity, as well as next-generation autopilot systems using state-of-the-art technology. The application of this technology to unmanned aerial vehicles led to the creation of the spin-off Valira Aerospace, which offers aircraft with extended range thanks to hydrogen fuel cell propulsion, ideal for missions such as surveillance, transport, rescue, logistics, and border control, among others.
At the AI2, we have long experience in the research and development of autonomous ground and aerial vehicles. For that reason, we are fully aware that the future mobility depends on the development of novel and advanced control systems to guarantee the safety, accuracy, and of course the energy sustainability of these vehicles.
The railway sector has also benefited from developments by the Institute of Automation and Industrial Informatics. Our teams have designed fleet and personnel planning and scheduling applications. We also have hardware-in-the-loops test bench for virtual catenaries, contributing to improved electric current collection systems in trains, optimized wear, and enhanced safety. On the road, we've become an essential ally in traffic safety. Impact attenuators that alert police in case of accidents, tunnel coatings, and smart guardrails are just some of the innovations our researchers have developed in collaboration with leading companies in the sector.
5 years ago we had a vision and we pretended to transform the restrained vehicle systems on the road into smart equipment of the ecosystem, of this ecosystem. That's why we reached the AI2 Institute in the UPV to create this first prototype of the solution. We already have several projects ongoing in the cities of Valencia and Elche, and now we are working together with the Transport Ministry of Spain to deploy these new devices.
We are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and high capabilities to offer flexible and reliable solutions aimed at improving business logistics. Our mobile robotics designs offer a wide range of applications in facilities ranging from large industrial plants to hospitals and care homes, advanced fleet and infrastructure management, and smart mobility solutions to get far.